Good morning, welcome to today's English lesson. And today we want to talk about analogies. In our previous lesson, we've been talking about synonyms, antonyms, homonyms. So today we want to introduce a new word. It is not a new one, you've learned it before. Analogies. And analogy, it shows a relationship. So analogy is the singular, analogies plural. So these are words that show relationship or similarity between two items. For example, I can say short is to tall. Short is to tall, as weak is to. So short and tall there, those are two words which show relationship. And in this case, it is now the opposite. Because we know the opposite of short is tall. And the opposite of strong is weak. So that is what analogies are. So we have a few examples here on the chalkboard. Like we say, station is to train, as airport is to plane. So station, this is where trains normally, it is like their parking area. And are the same to the plane. So the place is airport, where the plane can take off and also land at the same time. Then we have food is to hungry, as water is to thirsty. So when you are hungry, what do? You take food. What about when you are thirsty? What do you take? You take water. Then we have another example here. Wing is to bird. Wing is to bird. So what is the function of a wing in a bird? A wing, it is like a bird. For a bird to, the wing assists a bird to its flight. It's like the legs to move. For a bird to move, it must have its wing. The same applies to fish. For a fish to move in water, then it is assisted by fins. Then we have another example. Rich. Rich is to poor. So we know that the opposite of rich is poor. Then as ancient. So another word of ancient is, or the synonym of ancient is old. Old. So here we need to find the opposite. We know the opposite of rich is poor. Now what about the opposite of old or ancient? It can either be modern or new. Modern or new. Then we have another example here. Optician. So who is an optician? When you have an eye problem, where do you go to? You have to see an optician. So an optician is the doctor who is specialized in taking care of people's eyes. What about somebody who takes care of somebody or people's teeth? We call the person dentist. So optician is to eye, as dentist is to teeth. Then we can have another example here. Go is to come. Go, come. So that is an opposite. Go, come. Then as enter is to exit. So these are just a few examples of analogies that we have. We have many examples that you can not write all of them down. For example, I can say write is to wrote, as fly is to. So here we need to find the past tense of the word fly. So what is the past tense of the word fly? So these are some of of the example. So I want you to do the following exercise. The following exercise concerning analogies. Go to English 8. English 8. English 8. Page 104 and 105. Exercise 81. So here you will have classwork and homework. So classwork will be from number 1 to 25. That is classwork. Then homework will be from question 26 to 50. So that is all we have today about analogies. So you do that exercise, then you forward it for marking. I hope people we are all together. By now, people you should be able to know what analogies are, synonyms, homonyms, antonyms. So that when somebody wakes you up at night and asks you what an antonym is, you don't look at that person like it is the person is coming from Mars, and yet all of you are on Earth. So you need to know that antonyms means opposite, homonyms, similar sound, similar pronunciation, but different in meaning. Synonyms, similar words. Analogies, similarity. They show similarity or relationship in similarity between two items. So having said that, I hope we are together. So kindly do the exercise and forward it for marking. Have a blessed day. Thank you.